Hello, in this video I would like to show you our it's a Bradley PanelView Plus 1000 display unit only that we already upgraded to Sunlight Readable. I just want to show you how it is. When we upgrade it, we replace membranes. It's like brand new, and then we will also replace a touchscreen if that's necessary. For this one, as you can see, the model, it's a 2711P-RDT10C SCRB, so version B. So this one's already upgraded LED, and we have replaced the membranes and then touchscreens. Okay, and next video I'm going to connect the computer unit to test it and show you all the features. Okay, this is the one that I already connect the computer unit to it. Okay, so this computer I already let's connect to a power. It takes a while. Let me shut off the overlay head so it's easier for you to see it. It's already upgraded LED. This is the Bradley Power PanelView Plus 1000. Okay, so it's put in right now. It's pretty bright. It's already upgraded LED, and we just want to test the units, and it pretty much looks like new because we replaced the membrane and touchscreens, and so it's running. Okay. Yeah, still running the program. I just want to show you how the touch function is. Okay, almost. Okay. Okay, let's finish it. Okay, we can touch. All right. So this is whatever the display you see depends on the unit, the computer units. Okay. So we have all these functions. Yeah, touch function. Everything works. See? Okay. And you can restart the system if you want to, but you know, it's on. Okay. Everything works. Okay. Thank you for watching.